Worn on court, inspired by history, yours now. Devin Booker's season might have wrapped, but the legacy keeps shining. If you watched Phoenix fight through the play-in, you saw these on his feet, bright, unmissable, and instantly familiar. For months, this was Booker's personal PE, a player exclusive only he could wear. Today, that changes. This is the Nike Book 2 Sunburst, also called the Vintage Suns Edition. It's not just a new colorway. It's a bridge between the Phoenix of today and the purple and orange dynasty that lit up the 90s. And now, the public finally gets a pair. Every part of this shoe tells a piece of Phoenix's story. Let's go layer by layer. The upper, a rich, deep court purple, forms the base, bold, unfiltered, and true to the Suns' classic identity. But the material is where it shifts. This isn't leather or suede. It's a lightweight mesh engineered after the Nike Spiridon. That heritage running shoe DNA gives the Book 2 a sleeker, sportier, faster feel than any previous Booker signature. The Sunburst Swoosh here's the showstopper. The swoosh isn't one shade. It's a gradient, clay orange bleeds into warm sunset tones that fade back into purple. It mimics the sunburst stripes that ran across the chest of those beloved 90s jerseys. It looks like the sun dipping below the horizon over the valley. Details that matter. Booker's #1 hits the tongue in bright orange. Platinum violet lines the collar. A cool tone that balances the heat outside. Clean black trim along the eye stays keeps the lines sharp. Minimalist branding. No clutter. Just focus the outsole. Translucent icy blue. Clear, cold, and the perfect contrast. Step down and you see the purple and orange shine through from above. It's subtle until you move, then it glows. Sunburst isn't just a catchy name. It's a direct nod to the uniform that defined a generation of Phoenix basketball. Back in the early 90s, the Suns rolled out jerseys with exploding orange stripes across the chest. The Sunburst look. Loud, bright, impossible to ignore. It became one of the most beloved throwbacks in NBA history. Booker grew up on that energy. This colorway is his way of wearing it forward. He first debuted these in the play-in, highest stakes, highest visibility. Fans blew up every comment section asking where to cop. Now Nike delivers, true to the original, no shortcuts performance-wise. It's still the Book 2 you trust. Zoom air cushioning positioned for first step explosion, low to the ground feel for court control, breathable mesh that holds up all game traction, pattern tuned for the hardwood, clean cuts, no slip classic looks. Modern game. Pure Booker. Drops June 8, 2026, and this one won't stay in stock forever. Pushpin full specs, PH pricing, and where to buy. Official name. Nike Book 2, Sunburst, style code. F70 13-500, global retail. $145 USD, PH estimated price. $84.95, old school soul. New school fire, Phoenix never looked this good. This is the drop code.